This is the torque unit converter, a tool that instantly converts torque values between Newton meters, pound-feet, pound-inches, and kilogram-centimeters. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu labeled From Unit, where you select your starting unit of measurement. The available options are Newton meters, shown as NM, pound-feet shown as LBFT, pound-inches shown as LBN, and kilogram-cm shown as kg-cm. For this demonstration, I'll keep Newton meters selected. Next, there's a single input field labeled Torque Value, where you enter the numerical value you want to convert. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the Torque Value field and click Calculate Conversions. The calculator instantly provides all conversions. Our 10 Newton meters equals 10,000 nm, which converts to 7.3786 pound-feet, useful for American automotive specifications. It also shows 88.523 pound-inches, commonly used for smaller assemblies and precision instruments. Finally, we get 101.9706 kilogram-centimeters, often used in international technical documentation. Each conversion maintains 4 decimal places for engineering precision. Whether you're working with international specifications or converting between metric and imperial units, this calculator handles all standard torque conversions. Find the link in the description below.